Imagine drifting in the depths of the ocean, surrounded by ethereal, pulsating creatures that light up the darkness like living stars. What if I told you that these seemingly delicate creatures are actually among the most formidable predators in the sea? In today's deep dive, we're venturing into the mysterious realm of cnidarians, an often overlooked group that plays an irreplaceable role in marine ecosystems. From the delicate coral reefs that support countless species to the lethal stinging tentacles of jellyfish. These creatures are far more. Stay with me to discover the secrets of these fascinating marine organisms, their unique survival strategies, and the incredible symbiotic relationships that sustain life beneath the waves. Wave globe. In the vast marine ecosystem, everything has a role to play. From the scavengers on the seafloor recycling nutrients to apex predators regulating fish populations. It's all interconnected, but one group often flies under the radar, the phylum Cnidaria. This diverse group includes corals, anemones, hydroids, and jellyfish, collectively playing crucial roles in maintaining the ocean's delicate balance. What are cnidarians? Cnidarians are simple, yet elegant creatures that range from the tiny, jewel-like coral polyps to the massive lion's mane jellyfish with tentacles stretching over 27 meters, longer than a blue whale. Despite their simplicity, these organisms are incredibly efficient predators, shelter providers, and even ecosystem engineers. Their bodies are typically radially symmetrical, with structures radiating from a central point, much like the spokes of a wheel. Unlike more complex animals, cnidarians have no brains or hearts. Yet, they thrive in nearly every marine habitat. From shallow coral reefs to the deepest ocean trenches, cnidarians exhibit two main body forms. Polyp, sessile, tube-shaped, anchored to surfaces like rocks or corals with a ring of tentacles surrounding the mouth. Think of sea anemones or coral polyps. Medusa, free-swimming, bell-shaped and free-floating. Exemplified by jellyfish, medusae rely on ocean currents for movement and can transform the open sea into a shimmering, gelatinous wonderland. The fascinating life cycle. One of the most mind-blowing aspects of cnidarians is their life cycle. Take the moon jellyfish, for instance. It begins its life as a free-swimming larva, which eventually settles onto a surface and transforms into a small, tube-like polyp called a cyphostoma. Over time, it undergoes strobilation, splitting into tiny, coin-like discs that eventually mature into full-grown jellyfish. Incredibly, some species can revert to an earlier life stage, essentially making them biologically immortal. Personal insight. Imagine if humans could reset their biological clocks like jellyfish. What implications would that have on our understanding of aging and medicine? This regenerative ability is a marvel of evolution, offering scientists tantalizing clues for potential breakthroughs in human health. Cnidarians are equipped with specialized cells known as nematocysts, tiny harpoons loaded with venom. These stinging cells are essential for both hunting and defense. When a prey item or predator brushes against the tentacle, the nematocyst fires, injecting toxins that paralyze or kill. One of the deadliest examples is the Portuguese man-o'-war, often mistaken for a single jellyfish but actually a colony of interconnected organisms called zooids. Its long, trailing tentacles are covered with powerful nematocysts capable of delivering a painful, sometimes fatal sting. Perhaps the most intriguing aspect of cnidarians is their ability to form symbiotic relationships. These alliances are essential not just for their survival, but for the health of entire ecosystems. Coral reefs, the rainforests of the ocean. Corals, a type of sessile cnidarian, are the architects of some of the most biodiverse ecosystems on Earth. Coral reefs. These structures are built over centuries by colonies of tiny coral polyps secreting calcium carbonate, forming the hard skeletons that serve as the foundation for reef systems. But corals can't do it alone. They rely on zooxanthellae, a type of photosynthetic algae that lives within their tissues. The algae provide corals with energy through photosynthesis, while the corals offer protection and access to sunlight. This relationship is so vital that without it, corals would starve, leading to the collapse of entire reef ecosystems. Story time. In the Great Barrier Reef, there's a peculiar partnership between a species of crab and sea anemones. The crab carries the anemone on its back, using its stinging tentacles as a defense mechanism against predators. In return, the anemone gets a mobile platform to find food. It's like an underwater version of carrying a guard dog for protection. Cnidarians, including jellyfish, corals, and sea anemones, are marine organisms with simple body structures yet exhibit a rich diversity in shape and size. They thrive in various environments, from the shallow waters of coral reefs to the deep depths of the ocean. Their resilience and adaptability have not only allowed them to survive but also to flourish for millions of years. Cnidarians teach us the importance of adaptability in life. They demonstrate that simplicity does not equate to weakness. On the contrary, simplicity can be an advantage for survival and growth. Moreover, the power of cooperation among cnidarians, such as the symbiosis between corals and algae, shows that collaboration can bring immense benefits to both sides, creating a rich and sustainable ecosystem. Ultimately, the beauty of simplicity in the structure and function of cnidarians reminds us that sometimes the simplest things can hold the greatest value in nature and in life. As we marvel at the wonders and beauty of cnidarians, from vibrant coral reefs to bioluminescent jellyfish in the deep sea, we must face a harsh reality: these creatures are under severe pressure from human activities. To protect these vital organisms, we need to understand the challenges they face and find practical solutions to safeguard them. Current challenges: climate change and coral bleaching. Rising ocean temperatures due to climate change are causing coral reefs worldwide to experience bleaching events. When the water becomes too warm, the zooxanthellae algae that live symbiotically with corals are expelled, leaving the corals devoid of color and vitality. If this phenomenon persists, the corals may die, leading to the collapse of entire marine ecosystems. Plastic pollution and marine debris. Jellyfish often mistake plastic bags and debris for food. Consuming these plastic fragments can lead to choking or starvation. Additionally, coral reefs and other marine organisms are harmed by plastic waste that sinks to the ocean floor, impacting their health and development. Ocean acidification. As the amount of CO in the atmosphere increases, it dissolves into seawater, increasing its acidity. This process makes it harder for corals to build their calcium skeletons, weakening reefs and threatening the species that depend on them for survival. Unsustainable harvesting and tourism. Coral extraction, overfishing, and unsustainable tourism practices are causing significant damage to coral reefs and marine ecosystems. The construction of resorts and uncontrolled boat traffic can destroy cnidarian habitats and reduce biodiversity. Solutions to protect cnidarians. Implementing ecosystem protection measures. Establishing marine protected areas, MPAs, can help safeguard coral reefs and cnidarian habitats from exploitation and pollution. These areas must be well managed to ensure the recovery and maintenance of marine ecosystems. Reducing carbon dioxide emissions. By reducing emissions from transportation, factories, and industrial activities, we can help mitigate ocean acidification. Shifting to renewable energy sources like solar and wind power is a crucial step in protecting our oceans. Minimizing single-use plastic. Individuals can contribute to protecting the oceans by reducing their use of single-use plastics. Using reusable bags, water bottles, and eco-friendly products can help decrease the amount of plastic waste entering the oceans. Education and awareness. Educating communities about the importance of cnidarians and marine ecosystems is key. When people understand the crucial role of the oceans, they will be more motivated to participate in environmental conservation efforts and support protection policies. Developing sustainable technologies. Utilizing biotechnology to develop new solutions for coral reef restoration, such as growing corals in laboratories and transplanting them into natural environments, can help reefs recover after bleaching events. Although cnidarians have survived for millions of years, enduring countless geological and climatic changes, they still need our support to continue thriving in the future. Their survival is intimately linked to the health of our oceans and the Earth's entire ecosystem. If we act now, we can protect these creatures and the crucial marine ecosystems they sustain. A vision for the future, a healthy ocean world. Imagine a future where coral reefs once again glow with vibrant colors, where schools of jellyfish and corals flourish beneath crystal clear waters, and where humans live in harmony with the oceans. This future is possible if we all work together to protect and restore our seas. Picture a day not too far from now, when you take your family to a tropical coastline and see colorful coral reefs, clownfish playfully darting between anemone tentacles, and jellyfish gracefully dancing in the sunlight. This is a future we can create if we begin protecting our oceans today. The world beneath the waves is filled with wonders beyond our imagination. As explorers and guardians of this planet, We have a responsibility to ensure that future generations can marvel at the vibrant hues of coral reefs and the graceful dance of jellyfish. By understanding the crucial roles of creatures like cnidarians, we can better appreciate the intricate web of life that sustains our oceans. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming adventures into the natural world. Remember, every small action contributes to a big difference. Let's protect our oceans together.